other video viewers and subscribers. I'm Adrian and you're watching Farming with Rasta. Hello again. And today I'm in the area where I planted the cucumbers. I did a video 2 weeks back planting these cucumber seeds, and already they've started germinate. Plenty of them, many of them have started germinate. So let me show you them, viewers. I have some here. Those are some little ones that I planted last, but they're looking good, people. So what I'm doing today is I'm getting rid of some grass. These are some more. They're looking very healthy and nice, by the way, viewers and subscribers. So I think I did a pretty good job planting the seeds. You guys can check out the video that I did. I'm going to put a link above on the top right on the screen, so you guys can click on it and check it out. It was 2 weeks back I planted these, I believe so, and getting a lot of rain. Some of them didn't come, some of them didn't germinate. I guess because of bad seed, because I had the seeds for a very long time, right? So I guess it was because of that. So today I'm just getting rid of these grasses, right? Because I got some grass springing back, so I'm just doing some weeding by hand. There's a little one there. So I got cucumber coming all around here, people, all in the holes that I dig and that I planted. I do my cucumber farming a little different. It's still organic farming and it's still a technique, right? But this is just my way. So right now I'm just preparing them, because then sooner or later they will soon start running off. Like it's a vine plant. Cucumber is a vine plant. They run like pumpkin and melon, right? So they're gonna start run off soon. So what I'm doing is I'm getting rid of these grasses. All of these grasses, I'm gonna get rid of them, and then I'm going to pack these dry grasses around the cucumber plants. These dry grasses, so all these dry grasses are going to keep the plant, is what going to keep the plant cool, because getting plenty of sun right now. The rain kind of ease off, people, so getting a lot of sun right now. Kind of lightly clouded now, as you can see, but there's plenty sun same way. So I have to prepare these and get them ready, so I know I will get a good harvest out of them, because I want a good harvest out of them. I'll also be doing a video with that. So guys, remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell, and leave a comment and like the video also. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing today, people. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm just gonna get to it right now. So here I have some right here too. These ones, I got some little worms biting them up also. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use, because it's strictly organic farming, I'm going to use some fire ashes on them, or probably ask Ras Job for another organic technique. Just preparing these cucumbers to come in good health, because you have to have your plants looking very healthy. So after I finish molding them, as I said, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pack these dry grasses like that. I got some more grasses over there, so I'm going to just get those. Got plenty of dry grasses. Grass are up here. There, plenty of dry grass. These are what I got from where I did the cauliflower beds, the cauliflower and broccoli beds. You remember, guys? You can also check out that video on the channel. I'll also leave a link in the description and a link above in the video, so you guys can check that out. Yeah. So I'm going to use all these dry grass around the plant, the cucumber plants. So here's what I'm going to do. Like that. I'm going to spread them out around, so the cucumber plant will have a lot of shade the soil will also keep cool, and you know, keep its moisture, as in the water in the soil, because you know the plants have to have the moisture in the soil and the water in the soil to grow and look healthy and green, right? So that's what I'm going to do. Going to spread them all around. Take up the cutting tool, spread them all around, people. This is what I'm doing, and this is why I do organic planting. Make sure they come okay. So spread these all around it. Yeah. So I'm going to do it just like this right through people, just like that. So yeah, this is how I do it, guys. I'm gonna do a next one. I'm gonna fill all these areas right here. I'm just gonna get some more grass over there. Here's more. So here I have some more. Got another hole right here. This one germinated very well, people. I got this one. I don't know what this one looking good, more healthier than the other ones. I guess it's because I planted those ones before, so they are more advanced. I have to mold around it before I put the grass around it. So yeah, here's how I do it. The plants are already growing. This is just going to help, you know, to expand them more, to let them even start growing even faster, right? I have to mold around them to ensure the roots are going through some nice, loose, and fertile soil, you know. No fertilizer, people, all strictly organic. And this is why I do the farming this way. Yeah, this is the technique I use. Yeah, these ones are looking very nice. So I'm just looking to get a good harvest out of them. Mold around them. You gonna also make sure the roots are properly covered. Get rid of all the grass, right? These little grasses, see growing back there. Get rid of all of them. Don't want no grass in my cucumber farm, people. No grass. Yeah. So that's it. Gonna just put the grass around it now. Right? Here my grass. Lay it all around. I got plenty of cucumbers. So they're going to just run and run in this dry grass. When I finish, I'm going to water them. And you know, yeah. Doing it this way, people, it also keep down the grass. It also helps to keep down the grass that are springing back. Right? So this is why I also do it this way also. So when I pack these dry grasses on top of the soil, the grass that are springing back, it take longer to spring back. I already clean up this side, as you can see, all the grass that were springing back. So spreading these grasses on it around them now is just going to help them so much better. Keep them cool and keep the soil with more moisture. Get rid of those. Got my cutlass tool, people. Yeah. So I'm just doing all this by hand today. Get rid of these little grass. And then I mold around it. Yeah, just like that. Just going to do all of them just the same. All of them just the same, people. Go all down there. And as you can see, I got rid of the grass that I said I was going to get rid of. So I went down there and I chopped down everything. So what I'm going to do now, all the holes that I planted I planted the cucumber seeds in, and the ones that didn't germinate, the cucumber seeds that didn't germinate, I'm just going to go through and plant melon through it. And down there, as I said, I'm going to plant some melon just off down there in that area. So I'm going to do the video on that, but I'm just, you know, just finish here up here for now. So your viewers and subscribers, this is it. Just preparing them. After I prepare them now and leave them, you know, it'll probably take around the next 3 to 4 more weeks to get cucumbers bearing. Take out these grass from around it. I get plenty of these coming now, viewers and subscribers. Plenty cucumbers coming, just like these ones, all around here, all down there, viewers and subscribers. So just gotta clean them back out, get rid of the grass, these grass that are springing back. Then I have a little time. So there are my plants. I got plenty of these. I got a mold around those ones. Get my cutlass. Mold around them. Wow, almost pull up that one, viewer. Mold around them just like that. And I make sure the roots properly covered and alright. Yeah, I'm not. Yep. So now I'm going to just pack some grass around those ones as well. Got plenty of grass, people, that I chopped down from over there. So pack these around it, just like that. See, I do there just like the same, viewers. Yes, the little cucumbers coming. So I'm just gonna do it all around just like that. Gonna pack these ones as well. Just like that. Alright. Get them close enough as I can. Pack these ones as well. Finish doing these ones. Yeah, all around just like that. So I got much of it to do just the same. Go down there. So I'm just gonna speed up the process a little. Yeah, so almost finished the top part right here. I don't know if you guys seen it, but this is how it looks. Now this is my technique, right? Gotta pull some more grass. I don't really want to pack up too many grass around them either, you know. Don't want to pack up way too much, you know. I want to scatter it even, so they won't so the cucumbers won't have any problem running off either, because remember, it's a vine plant, right? Cucumber grow on vines, so they soon start running. Get rid of the little grass that are springing back and mold around this one. Just to loose up the soil a little more. There's a lot of technique in organic farming, so, and this is very much one of them. No fertilizer, viewers and subscribers, strictly organic Jamaican farming. Gotta make sure I spread the grass evenly right throughout. Yeah, and the holes that didn't germinate cucumber seeds, because you know some of the seeds, as I said, some of the seeds were bad, so some of the seeds didn't germinate. So the ones that didn't germinate in the hole, I'm just going to plant some melons in it. And melon seeds are somewhere here. Here they are. Just get that right there. Here viewers, so here are my melon seeds. Of them in this little bag here. Put away this one. I have both type of melon. Both the yellow one, both the yellow one and the red one, people. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to do. Let me show you the seeds, people. Here are my melon seeds, coated with a little poison. You know, it's I got it from the farm store, so they're gonna coat it with poison. So I'm just, as I said, I'm just going to go through and put back some in the holes that didn't germinate. So I'm going to just put them right side of the cucumbers. I won't plant much. There's not really much any technique in it. Just gotta drop him right. You know. Just gotta drop him right. You know. I think I put in too much in this here. Right there. And just cover him a little. About ½ inch, as I said. Same like the cucumber. Put him about 1 inch. You have a little cucumber plant right there, but that's just one in that hole. Yeah, so I'm going to do it exactly like this right throughout. Exactly like this right throughout, people. Here's an next hole that didn't germinate any cucumber. Right? Yeah. About 1 inch. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just replant the holes that didn't germinate cucumbers. Replant them with cucumbers, with melon seeds, sorry. I'll make sure I got a couple in there. Yeah, viewers. Like how I just have one cucumber in this hole. I'm just gonna put a melon seed right beside it. Put a melon seed. Or I'm gonna put 2 of them. Yeah. So see, I spread the grass right through it, right through the top part. So I'm just gonna finish right here, and then I go down there, because I got a lot more little weeding down there to do. As you can see, the green spots. So I'm just finish up this side first. But yeah, I'm just giving you a little idea what I'm doing and how I do the cucumber farming. This is strictly organic, people. So yeah, man. People remember to like, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell if you like this kind of technique of organic farming, and if you like the videos that I do, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna just put 2 right here. Not going to load it up a much melon seeds. See, I got 1 cucumber tree right there, so I'm just gonna put 2 melon seeds beside it. Yeah. I got another one over here. This one, you know, these ones I planted last. So, as I said, some more advanced more than some. Some trees are smaller than some, but they all will, you know, run off, and they all will come very fine. Yeah. So yeah, viewers and subscribers, that's what I'm going to do. Just plant back some melon right through it. Yeah. And can call this I finished this top side. I'm just going to mold up this bed right here. Yeah, man. Just mold up these ones. So afterwards, I'm just going to go through now and water them. Just watch them grow. Got cucumber trees coming all around, viewers and subscribers. So you guys can look out for the harvesting videos in the next couple weeks. And remember to also check out the video with me planting these cucumber seeds. See, I got some cucumber right here too. So cucumbers are coming all around. If you can see them, people, all around here. Plenty of cucumbers, young cucumber trees. Replant the holes with melon seeds. So I think it's a good idea to do. Make more use of the land and the soil, you know. So yeah, I'm going to leave the video here for today though, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to just finish up here, finish cleaning up here, and do the same thing as I did up there. Up there is looking fair enough nice, you know. I think that whenever the cucumbers started to run off, I think they will be okay. I think they will be alright, you know. I don't make arbors for my cucumbers when I'm planting cucumbers. Because from, you know, you keep them cool, in a cool area, I think they will be fine. Normally some people would make arbors, you know, add some little arbor thing, but I rather do it like this. You know, save me work, and it still bear a lot, just the same. It still bear just the same, viewers and subscribers. So here's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna end the video for here today, viewers and subscribers. You can look out for the next video. The next video will be transplanting the broccoli, right? As you remember, I did the video making these beds. So I got some little grass coming up right now, but they are the leaves. I'm just going to clean them up, viewers and subscribers. Those are I'm going to clean up and make sure they are gone. So those are the leaves. So I'm just going to show you the broccoli suckers, the broccoli and the cauliflower suckers. Didn't get much broccoli, but you know the cauliflowers them germinate plenty. So I'm just gonna show you that. Yeah. Here they are, viewers and subscribers. So the next video will be with me planting these cauliflower. Now these are the black broccoli, sorry. These are the broccoli plants. Plenty of broccoli plants. They need a little water, as you can see. So the next video will be with me planting those. Right? So you guys can look out for that video next. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can get the videos. You can get that notification for when the videos are uploaded. So yeah, got plenty of them there as well, people. I just put this black mesh thing over it to keep the shade over it, keep the sun from burning them. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the video here for today though, viewers and subscribers. I'm gonna go over back there and finish taking care of those cucumbers, finish weeding and putting the grass around them as I showed you. So yeah, see you in the next video, viewers and subscribers. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting.